Okay, I've got a great one for you this time. This piece of property here, oh my goodness. Lots of rolling hills and bottomland and meadow and woods. It's got a little bit of everything. Located only about 10 minutes out of Spencer. That's handy. They have lots of roads throughout the property. Access is really good. It's got a gravel road. There's a state maintained graveled road that goes into it. That graveled road is just a couple hundred yards before you hit the property. Up on the ridge right here, what you're looking at is a ridgetop meadow. There is a field that drops to the left. On that one, that drops over to Windyville Road, which is a state maintained blacktop road. To your right is the old US 33 Scott Miller Hill Road, is what it's referred to. And then kind of behind us is going to be the Field Hollow Road, which is a dead end road. Only one house, I believe, is all that's on that particular road. I'm not sure if anyone's living out there or not. As you can see, you can have houses on either side of this piece of property, either Windyville Road side or on the Field Hollow side. This open land presents itself with several different places if a person wanted to build ponds on it. There's room for that. This little ravine right here would be great for a pond there. There is more land that could be cleaned up with this farm as well. It used to have even more clean land, but it had grown up over the years. So it's beyond the point of a bush hog. A person would have to use a dozer to clean it up, and I don't think it would take a whole lot of work to clean up some more of these fields for pasture, as opposed to just meadows and bottoms. This valley to the left, of course, the game love it. It's a nice thick habitat. Deer can travel through there very easily. Lots of food for them to eat. And this also would be a fantastic spot for a good-sized pond. You could have a small lake in this valley. It kind of starts from down at the beginning and is narrow and then broadens out, which is really a great spot for a small lake. This area right here, if you wanted to plant corn, you absolutely could, or any type of truck type of farming. Great for the homesteader. It's a pretty good-sized homestead, but definitely great for that. It's got a stream going through it, which of course you could use that to irrigate crops, livestock, so on and so forth. To your right, you can see a small road. That is Field Hollow Road. And from this view right here, you can really see how nice it would be to have a pond in that valley there. Be an easy one to make. So anyway, if you have any questions, by all means, give me a call. And of course, on our website, www.oldfences.com, is maps of the property and topographical and aerial photos with property lines. My cell phone number is 304-377-3758. Office number is 304-927-4400. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you get the first shot at these properties, because the very first place that I put our listings at is on YouTube. So subscribe to our channel. Whenever you hit that subscribe button, there will be a little cartoon bell that will appear. You want to click on that cartoon bell, which is the notifications button. When you hit that, some words will pop up. Hit the word all, and that's how you do it. If you have problems with that, by all means, give my staff a call and we'll help you get set up. Thank you for watching.